Okay, I want to show you an application that I've created using Microsoft Power Apps. This is a note-taking application, so if you're in a position where you need to be able to take a bunch of notes on different things, this could be a good way to standardize some information. So in my line of work as an academic advisor, I have to take notes on various different students and refer them out to different offices throughout our campus, as well as give them a course. And when I do this, I also need to track these nodes in a standardized fashion to upload into a different website, as well as send a summary to a student. And so just to go through this, I've created some fields to implement different student information. And so I'm just going to quickly go through here and type in some different data that I would like to collect on a student. And as you can see, when I click testing, then these fields became available. And I can type in some notes. And right here I can see it's generating a standardized format to how I need to put these into a note system. But that's not always enough. Sometimes I need additional information. So like a student needs help with something. And it'll just add it to the bottom here. Now if I click this button, it's going to take me over to a database of my notes that I can keep before I move them over to the software that I use. And so you can see here, it pulled up the fifth note, the newest one. And as I click on it, it's going to have all of that same information. I can copy this bit here to put into the system that we use to save notes on the advisor's level, but I can also send the student an email using that data. And it's going to populate it based on different things that I've said. So if the student is not in good standing or they're on a warning status, for example, if I save that to their record and pull up the generated email, the HTML email, I can see whether or not the student is going to receive the information on that particular thing. And so I can see all the data that I put in there, biochemistry, they need to go to the testing, and testing gives us extra information down here, general notes that I put out, but then it also added information about their standing. If I didn't mark that, then that paragraph would be gone. Additionally, I can do other things like say, this student is declarable, and it added that to the email. And when I finish this and I'm ready to send it to the student, I can tell them when can they register for classes and give them a website to go view the major that they're interested in for their degree. I can say that I've entered the note into the system, and if I save that, then this little red icon will turn green, so I know I have entered that. This one I have not, but I have emailed the student, and so if I click send email, it's going to give me that icon here to allow me to remember, oh yes, I did email those notes to that student already. And in a second, I should get that email to the Outlook folder. Let me just go ahead and sign in here. And there it is. So the student's information has shown up here. This would be what the student would receive with automatic links to various different websites, depending on what they chose. Obviously, I did not type in that email correctly, because otherwise it would have generated that. Let me go back and double check. What did I do there? https:// So let me save that again and I'll send the email. Okay, so now that link to the email is correct. If you're interested in how I've created this, please leave me a comment and I might be able to help with setting that up for you.